How to log in Ocean credit card online. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video, I will walk you through the process of accessing your Ocean credit card account. Stick around till the very end of the video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Additionally, make sure to hit the notification bell icon so you stay updated whenever we release a new video. To commence, open your web browser and in the address bar at the top of the screen, type in www.oceanbank.com and hit enter, which will be visually recognizable. Look at the top of the left corner where you should spot the login portal. If you intend to access your online banking account, input your user ID and your password and select the sign in button under the online banking section. However, if you wish to log into your credit card account, click on the sign in button which is adjacent to the credit card option. Upon doing so, you will be directed to the subsequent page. Simply provide your credentials to gain access to your credit card account. Enter your username in the designated field, and in case you have forgotten, click on the Forgot Your Username link and follow the provided instruction to retrieve it. After inputting your details, click on the Login button, and on the following page, proceed to answer the security question, and if you're using a private device, select the Yes option, and conversely, if you're using a public device, opt for the No choice. Finally, once you have confirmed that your information is accurate, click on the Continue button and you will be promptly logged into your Ocean Bank credit card account. So this is basically on how you can log into your Ocean credit card online account. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.